guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another unboxing video, and this time it is going to be from BzzAgent. This is what the box looks like. It's super cute. This is the first time I receive anything from them, so I'm super excited. So anyways, if you guys don't know what BzzAgent is, it is a company that sends free products for you to review. So it's kind of like She Speaks, Influencer, and Pinch Me. So if you guys want to go check them out, I will be linking a link in the description box so you guys could go check them out. So I'm really excited to see what they sent me. So let's open it up. I got my handy dandy blade here. So this is what it looks like. So this is what they sent me. I'm super excited. I've never tried anything from this brand. If I didn't mention, it is from the brand IsaDora. So it's not a subscription box, so it doesn't come with a card. So all this is new makeup that's going to be in WALGREENS. I'm not sure if they're already at WALGREENS or they're going to be at WALGREENS, but just go check them out, you guys. Okay, so the first thing I see here, it is a waterproof glossy eyeliner, obviously in the brand IsaDora, and it is in the shade 40 Chrome Black. So this is what it looks like. So I'm really excited to try this liquid liner. Let's open it up. Okay, this is what it looks like without the plastic. Super pretty, super cute. And this is the applicator. So I'm super excited to try this. Okay, the second thing that I received is a makeup blender sponge. This is what it looks like. I only have 2 other beauty blenders, so I'm super excited to try this out. If I could get the prices for every single thing, I will be putting them right here next to me. Okay, so the next thing that I got, it is a IsaDora Twist Up Gloss Stick Moisturizing Lip Filler in the shade 01 Toffee Pop. So this is what the packaging looks like. Super cute. Okay, let me open it up. So this is what it looks like without the packaging. Without the plastic. Let's open it up. It smells like toffee, like the candy toffee. And this is what it looks like. Okay, I might swatch this one for you guys because I just want to. This looks exactly like a lip gloss, and it's in a crayon. That is crazy. Look at that, you guys. I don't know if you guys can see, but you see how wet it looks? It looks exactly like a lip gloss. That is so cool, you guys. I'm super happy that I got this, and it is a neutral. This is like a nude color. I really like it. So pretty, and this is weird. It looks like a lip gloss. I've never tried anything like this before, and I'm super happy that I got it here. So I'm super excited to play with this. I'm going to be doing a separate video trying all these products out. Okay, the next thing that I have here, it is a Stretch Last Mascara Expandable Brush. This is what the packaging looks like. That's super pretty. And I got the shade 01 Black. So this is what it looks like without the plastic. It's super pretty and sleek. So I'm going to open it because I do have to review these items, and normally I wouldn't have more than 2 open mascaras, but I have to open it, so I'm going to show you what it looks like. So this is what the wand looks like. The little bristles are really small.
Oh my gosh, my hands are like so dry. I'm sorry, you guys. Just ignore that. I'm gonna put lotion right now.
But the bristles are really small. I don't know if you guys could see, but the cap says to twist. I don't know what that does. Oh, that is so cool, you guys. Okay, this is like new technology for me. Okay, so watch the wand. I'm going to be twisting this, and the wand is going to grow. Look at that. I don't know if you guys saw that. That is weird. See, it's tiny now. Okay, I love this already. So I'm super excited to try this mascara out. Okay, the next thing that I have is a little eyeshadow palette. And this is what the little small quad palette looks like. It's really neutral colors for like everyday use. So I'm really excited to play with these. So it comes with a little applicator. And it says IsaDora on there. It doesn't smell like anything. It doesn't say the shades here. It just says Muddy Nudes. So I will be doing a natural look with these shades right here. So make sure you turn on the bell so you guys won't miss that video. Okay, so the next thing that I got is a face sculpture in the shade Warm Peach. And it comes with a bronzer, blusher, and highlighter. So this is what it looks like. It's a pretty big face palette. So I'm really excited that I got this. And in the back it just shows you how to apply the bronzer, the blush, and the highlighter. This smells like something, but I can't remember from where. It just smells clean though. So this is what they look like. Super excited. And the last beauty product that I received from IsaDora is a all-day wear makeup. So it's a foundation. So I got the Active All Day Wear Makeup 24 Hour Sweat and Humidity Proof Foundation. This is what it looks like. And I got it in the shade Sand 14. Hopefully it's the right shade for me because it's kind of hard to choose online, so hopefully it does match my skin. And I'm super excited to try this because it says sweat and humidity proof, and I live in the desert, so hopefully it actually works.
So on the back it says Active All Day Wear Makeup 24 Hours, Sweat Proof, Humidity Proof, Long Lasting 24 Hours, Oil Free for all skin types.
Here, I'm going to open it. Whoa, this is interesting. This is weird, you guys. So look at the little thing. I guess you just like squeeze it and then grab it from here. I don't know, that's weird. So I'm going to be swatching this. Oh, I think it's too white for me, you guys. I'm not even sure if this is an applicator. I think it's just, I don't know what this is. But anyways.
Oh my gosh, I'm so retarded, you guys. Oh my gosh, I can't believe what I just did.
I'm so dumb. This is embarrassing. But okay, so I opened it, but I'm not even supposed to freaking screw it on. It's just like this, and it has a pump. Now that makes sense. Oh my gosh, I'm so dumb, you guys. Oh my gosh. Wow. So it has a pump, you guys. It doesn't have a weird small applicator.
Wow. Just wow.
Okay. Anyways, I already got the foundation on my hand. It looks pretty white. We'll see if it matches my skin. So it looks like it is going to be full coverage. Maybe it is going to be a little white, but it's okay, we'll make it work. So I'm super happy that I got this as well. Okay, the last thing that I received from IsaDora is this. I'm guessing it's a makeup bag. It has a sticker. It says, with compliments from IsaDora. So let's open it up. It smells new. I like the smell of new things. But anyways, this is what the bag looks like. It looks super cute. I love the gold detail. Super pretty. So I got a pretty good, decent makeup bag. And the inside is just black. And it has a little pocket here. So I'm really happy that I got all of this. I'm super excited to play with all this makeup. I will be doing a get ready with me, trying all these new products. So if you guys want to watch that, make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell for notifications. So thank you BzzAgent and IsaDora and WALGREENS for sending me all of this. I'm so super happy and excited. So yeah, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.